Yo guys, what's up? Okay, so quadruple witching day was past us now, and this weekend, all the clearinghouses go through and see what options are in the money and see what options need to be converted to stock. So you can see here that my Go EV order that we did last week never actually went through. So I got put to stock. Don't worry, don't panic if you get put stock. Not a big deal. I usually have enough money to cover at least one or two of the positions that I have into stock, because that typically happens when you're in the money. So the strategy for next week would be to go in and whoops, let's not do that right now. So I will go in to Go EV next week. So this is what I'll do. I'll do a quote for Go EV, and I will go 30 days out, about 26 days out, and I will sell, sell a put at an option. Now my cost basis was $20, but I made some profit on it, so I'm gonna sell it at $17.50. You can see here, $225, about $220 is what I'll be getting next week. So it's just a preview of what I'm going to be doing. But anyway, you can see here, I've already made $300 on Go EV year to date, so it's pretty good. So not a problem. If you get assigned stock, don't panic. That's the main objective. Okay, don't panic. There's ways out of it. If you don't have enough cash in your account, don't get assigned a stock, or try not to. So in the last week of options expiration is the highest probability you're going to get assigned stock. So you probably want to roll or manage your options before the last week, if possible. If not, try to go down as far as you can, like I did last week. You saw some of my videos. I was on Friday scrambling, trying to get options taken care of at the last minute, just to squeeze every last penny I can out of the premium. That way you get more premium when you sell them next month. There is a little bit of options assignment risk, and I'm willing to take that for the extra premium that I can get out of whatever I'm doing. So guys, if you get assigned, you have options, all right? Yeah, I know, it's a little pun. Not a real problem. There's ways out of it. You can handle it. If you, this is not, and obviously this is not investing advice. I'm not an investment advisor. I'm just some guy on the internet trying to make some money. So check out my other E-Trade video. Has some pretty cool things there. I got a sign there as well. So take a look at that. And catch you tomorrow, a daily options trade. All right, guys, have a good weekend. What's left of it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for the daily options trade. Thanks for watching.